Let's make a cinnamon mojito. To make this drink, we're going to start with the mint. I'm going to take these mint leaves off the mint stalk and put them in the bottom of my glass. And it's going to be about 7 to 8 leaves. It really kind of depends on the size of your leaves and the strength of your mint, so experiment and figure out what you like. Next, 1 ounce of lime juice. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Perfect. 1 ounce of cinnamon syrup. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. Next, I'm going to muddle this, and I'm just going to gently muddle this. I want to release the oils in the leaves, not destroy the leaves. I think that'll do. Next, the rum. 2 ounces of rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Fill your glass with ice. And see if you can sneak a spoon in there without losing your muddler to the floor. Give it a couple of stirs. And I'm going to keep my spoon in there for now as I top this off with some club soda. Then I'm going to use my spoon to try and pull some of that mix up through the soda without losing too many bubbles. Get back in there. Okay. Now, more mint, because we want to garnish this with a sprig. My mint is not very happy. I got this from the local grocery store, and it's a little wilty, but you'll just have to put up with it. Just pretend that the mint is nice. Wake it up because it is lazy. Wake up! And add a straw. And there you have it, cinnamon mojito. Drink with good spirits.